Greetings everybody, trust you guys are well on the beautiful day, trust you all are well by this day. We reached the 6th month of this year and everybody has said, Here, ek wag vir 'n week, ek weet hoe wat ek die week kry nie. Sy het gesê ek gaan 'n week kry, maar staan op die belofte van die Here. Staan op die promise van die Here en dit sal gebeur. Ek sê om vir iemand te sê, vertrou die proses, but don't just trust the process. Trust the God of the process. You will work it out for you. Surely God will do it from fear to faith, from failure to success, from breakdown to a breakthrough. I'm here to tell somebody, hold on. Surely it's going to happen. Hold on, the Lord is going to do it. All you need to do is believe the Lord. Stand upon His promise. Stand on His word. Surely the Lord will, surely it will take place. Het lyk nie soos dit gaan gebeur, maar het gaan gebeur. Ek is hier om vir iemand te sê, hou aan, hou goeie moed. God gaan dit doen. Dit is nie maklik nie, maar God gaan dit doen en hy gaan dit verrig. Hou net aan. Surely the Lord will do it. As ek dink waar die Here my uitkom haal en waar ek nou is, sê ek is net genade. Surely God is going to do it. You're looking at a man that went to apply for a job and he didn't get it, but surely the Lord answered on the right time. The right door will open for you on the right time. I'm here to tell you, surely it's going to happen. Believe it. Soms Nicola dropping in just to give you that word of the encouragement. Trust the God of the process. Don't just trust the process. Be blessed.